Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to learn chapter number 12 from our grammar book. And the lesson is adverbs. Adverbs we have seen many a times in grammar. And today also, firstly, we are going to learn about the basics of that, and then we will continue with its type. Firstly, I have written a definition for you on the board. Firstly, we will see that. An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. Firstly, we will understand about this. In this definition, when I will read it for you, what you will understand, you will get one word verb. Then you will get another word, an adjective. Then a third thing is another adverb. We will be understanding these three things with the help of these examples. Once again, I will read for you. An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Firstly, we have to think of what are verbs. I'm sure we have already learned about these things, so there is no need to explain you in a deeper way. I will just tell you verbs are your doing words or the action words. Then what about adjectives? Adjectives are the words which are used with noun or pronoun to do what? To tell quality, quantity, person or specify person, animal, place, etc. These are your adjectives. Another adverb means another word which will give or add meaning to the existing adverb in the sentence. So now let's talk about verb. Firstly, it says it adds something to the meaning of a verb. If we have a verb, then the word which will add meaning to the verb or will modify that verb, you can say, that will be known as your adverb. Children, adverb you can understand in a simpler way, like it gives more information about time, place or manner the action is done, etc. And here what we are going to learn is how an adverb can modify or specify these verb, adjective and another things. First example which I have written from your book is the traveler walked briskly. Now, what is the meaning of briskly? It means to walk quickly. The traveler walked briskly. Now, what we are going to, firstly, we are going to find out what this walked is. This is an action. So, an action is, that means it is a verb. So, we will write this. It is a verb. Now, what it is telling you, what this word briskly is telling you about the verb, that how he walked, the manner, he walked briskly means quick steps. So, this briskly means it is defining the way the person has walked. Secondly, we will talk about she is a very clever woman. Now, what we are going to see here, woman is your noun, and this noun is explained here. This is telling you that she is a clever woman. But here very word is adding to the meaning of this, that she is not like that simple lady or not very clever, but it is telling you that she is very clever. So this very is your adjective which is adding more information to it, that she is very clever woman. Thirdly, what we will see, the boy runs quite fast. Runs is your verb. And how he runs, children? Fast. But what is this quite here? This fast is your adverb, and This is your another adverb. This is also your another adverb. It means what we have understood about these three. Now let's see from here. It is written in your book, the adverb briskly, this is your adverb. I will write it for you so that you will not get confused. Your adverb, because it is modifying the verb, that is why it is known as adverb. This adverb is adding to the meaning, adds to the meaning of the verb walked. How the person has walked, it is defined by briskly. Second sentence says, very shows the degree. How much clever she is? She is very much clever. So very showing you the degree means it modifies the adjective clever. It is telling you about clever, how much clever she is. It is modifying the degree. Very is a word which is modifying that she is very clever woman. Now, when we come to the third statement of ours, in the third example, what you will see, fast is an adverb, definitely. How he runs, fast or slowly, that are your adverbs. Fast, one adverb, but another is added to it, that is quite fast. So quite is also your one of the adverbs. So we have got it. Let's come to the definition again. An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. In like this, meaning is added to it, means some modified word is added briskly to the verb. Then add something to the meaning of an adjective. Here clever is our adjective and we have got another one. It is adding to the meaning of this clever. How, what sort of? Very clever she is. The degree we have got to know here. The third statement, let's come back here, adds meaning to something to the meaning of another adverb. Here we had already one adverb, we have added one more to it, means another adverb to show that these things can be done. It modifies, means our adverb modifies all these things, verbs, then our adjective, then our another adverb. This is all about adverbs. When we have learnt about these adverbs, we are going to see its kinds. Children, in our book we have 8 kinds which are given and we are going to see these 8 kinds one by one. I'll be writing them for you on the board so that you can see and you can memorize all these kinds of adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. We have 8 kinds of adverbs as I have told you. We will begin from the first one, adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. Secondly, we have adverbs of place. Thirdly, when you will turn your page, you will get another adverbs. They are adverbs of time. When I will be picking up one by one these things, then okay, I can even do this. Instead of writing full thing, adverb of time. Then fourth one, we have adverbs of frequency. Then our fifth one is adverbs of degree. Then my sixth one I'll be writing here. Sixth one is interrogative adverbs. Then my seventh one is a relative adverb. The last one is your Can you think what it could be? It is adverb of certainty. Of certainty. Children, by this I have written for you the 8 kinds of adverbs. You have to memorize these. You may even get such sort of question. What all types of adverbs are there? So you have to name them like that. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, then adverbs of degree, then interrogative adverbs, then relative adverbs, then adverb of certainty. We will be learning about these one by one in my next video. Till then, what you have to do? You have to learn the definition of adverbs. Then you even have to revise the points, the examples I gave you, that what all things an adverb can modify or adds meaning to. Then you have to learn all the 8 kinds of adverbs. This is your work for today. Thank you and take care.